Hi, welcome back. My name is Palaj Viswas, Assistant Professor, JIS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And today is discuss the basic materials handling equipment and also this the principles of materials handling equipments. That like your the under the subject of materials handling. And this is my lecture number 2. And a few outlines is here. Now this is the lecture number 2. That like your the benefits and limitations of materials handling, the classification and approach of materials handling, that like what the design, the considerations of materials handling equipments you can discuss here. You can see the first is considered according to this the that like your the packaging, and what is your here the what is the packaging is considered. You can see the different type is packaging is the seen these figures, that like the first is left first left top corners. You can see the this is the wooden packaging is considered, like the different type of cup is given, and the second one is considered like the different type of show packings is here, like the like different type of clothes will be mounted on this or the cartoons is here, and this is the top left corners. You can consider the different type of baskets, and wooden papers baskets also will be there, and these baskets will be packaged by this the different type of materials, and also this will be transferred the proper way, and this is used for this, and from these are right left right bottom corners. You can see that like your the different type of gas type of materials, liquids is a first will be pile up on this the different type of containers, and also this container will be transfer from this the different paper baskets, and during to this paper basket this will be the placed the one by one, and also the this will be movement from this the one place to this the another place. That likes the cover the design and also selections and use of in process the containers and the included packaging of semi-finished and finished products. We can transfer that like your the one place to this the another place. The warehousing, you can see that like your the this is the warehousings. The area covered by warehousing include the receiving, storing, shipping and of materials in any form and at any points in the process of manufacturing and distributions. You can consider, you can see that like your the first left side figures. You can see that like your the different storage will be covering here, that like the different type of boxes, and is storage by one, and this is the on house will be considered, that is the these places you have to require for the receiving of the materials from the from production industry, and these materials will be storage and pile up the one by one, and again the you have to required for the storing purpose, and a few cases the this will be required for the shipping, and this is the transfer for materials, and also the shipping this materials on this the, and also required for this the loading of your materials from the this manufacturer hub, and a few cases we can see the excess type of productions will be produced on your the industry, then this will be required for your the storage, and during to storage times, and you have to use for your the warehouse, and also the permanent storage, that like your the 10 to 15 days will be storage on your materials on this type of warehouse, then this will be considered according to this the near to permanent, that like after that this is the distribute for your the distributors, like your the direct to your the manufacturer to the customers will be receiving this type of products. You can see the top right corners. You can see that this is the on image you can consider, and similarly this type of image is seen the different type of just like your big bazaar, and different type of shops. We can have some grocery shops. You have to see the different type of materials. You have to storage the one by one, and also the pile up, and people will be movements, like your customers will be movement through this the channel, and also this will be take up your materials, and also the putting on a trolley, and again this will be distributes, and also transfer from this the to the your billing sections, and also this billing section you have to given to materials to hand, and also this will be go to your destinations. And another things you can see, the right bottom corner, the on people will be movement, just like your that a cards tally card stripe conveyor also will be here, just like the insides of your industry, and during toward the different type of product will be take up by your this the car, and also this will be movement very easily from the one station to this the another station during to your the this warehouse. We can very easily transfer your materials through here. And the carrier handling is here. The you have to consider seen the this is the carrier handling is in every students already seen from this the different places when this type of materials is movements, that is the covered the loading. You can see that like the different type of crane is seen in here, that this crane is using for this the loading of materials, and a few cases this will be the securing also here the there is the no high loaded, and also the bulky type of materials will be transferred, that like your the loading and also the securing. And a few cases we can see that like your the transportings, and suppose your the dog area and different type of loading and unloading places will be concerned, then this will be used for these cranes and transportings, and sometimes we can see that like your the unloading purpose, and also the transfer of all kinds of materials in any in highway tracks, that like your the highway tracks. You can see this is the second figure, that like your the middle figure of this the top tree. Now you can see this is the highway tracks, and these highway tracks will be the movement your materials, that like your the transfer from this the one way to the another way. Another thing is the barrage ships, and various ships we can and airlines and at carrier terminals also will be handled your materials the proper way according to the system, that like your the movement of this very easily this type of equipment is used to transfer your materials and loading and unloading. And another things, the materials handling equipments can be classified into the 5 major categories. The one is the transport equipments, the equipments used to move materials from one location to another location. This like is considered as the transport equipments, and that is the between workplace, between a load dock and storage area is considered, etc. Basically, this will be considered according to this the workplace and dock and storage are here. The major subcategories of transport equipment are conveyors, cranes, and industrial trucks is considered is the major subcategories of transport equipments, and this will be conveyor, crane, and the industrial trucks. And another things, the your materials can be also transported manually using no equipment, like the suppose your the human levers will be used, this will be transfer your materials. We can see in our village area the you by manually transfer this materials the one place to this the another place, there is the no vehicles or equipment is used, the proper transportations of materials. And another things is here, you can see this is the figure will be given, that like the first one is considered like the different type of small car, and this car is transfer this material, that like the man will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place very easily. And the second one is here, like your the second one, like the left is the second, you can the one tanker will be goes to this the one place to this the another place, that like your the Coca-Cola tanker, this is the liquid is transferred from the one place to this the another place, because the liquid is produced during to the bulky amounts, and then this will be transferred the proper way from this the one station to this the another station. Then you have to use this type of tankers. And second one is considered that like your the highway trucks is here, and this will be multi type of multi wheels equipment is here, and this will be transferred its materials the proper way, and a different type of baskets will be stored by one, and this will be transferred for the long distance, that is a log and the different the bulky type of materials will be transferred. This is the organ type, but this is the highway transportation procedures will be done during to this this figure, the railway highway trucks will be here. And another things will be considered, this is the the bottom figures will be here. The this is the one bunker is be transferred during to this the one place to this the another place, that like your the inside of this the different type of industry will be transfer the different type of bunker, different type of a bunker is used, the transfer of different type of materials. The basically the in a military service, this type of bunker will be available used to this the transfer of materials from this the one place to this the another place. Basically this will be the low speeds vehicles will be transfer this materials from the one place to this the another place. You can see here the two figures is the available, that like the left one used to be considered the different type of grain type of materials will be transferred the proper way, that like this will be placed here the one by one, and also movement is found, that like the different type of grain, and the few cases we can see the grain will be differ from your the different type of dust type of particles, but only the proper grains will be transferred this way. And the right figure you can see that this will be the conveyor belts, and like on the lump size of materials, this will be transfer from this the one place to this the another place during to use for your the this type of belt conveyor is used for this the transfer of materials from the one station to this the another stations. And you can see here this is the roller type conveyor is here. You have to transfer your materials for the proper oil, that like your the different type of roller is available. This is the two type of roller is available. One is the power roller, another is the unpowered roller. And during to your the unpowered roller, and you can place your boxes from your the one two places you have to consider. One is the loading place, another is the unloading place. Suppose you are the loading places, this box will be placed here, and you have to not record for your this movement, and also your the motion is not counting from here. You have to this motion will be found from this the one roller will be touched to this the another roller. This will be given to this the movements from this the first one to this the second one, and also this will be reaching to your the output place, just like your the receiving place. This is the reach, and you can see this is the roller type conveyors, and the different type of buckets will be placed on this the one by one, and the two people will be records. One is the loading person place, another is the unloading places. And you can see the different type of crane is here. This is the this crane is used for your the transfer of different type of materials, like your the loading, unloading of materials, and also sometimes we have to the transportings of this the few places. And basically this crane is used for your the different the dock area, and dock area this crane is used, that like the not is the portable. Few cases we can see that like your the portable cranes, and also the this will be movement from this the one place to this the another place according to your the requirements. The which places you have to storage of your materials, the which places you have to discharge of your materials, but your crane will be go to your transport your places, but this will be very easily transfer this materials. But there is the hooks will be hanging, and a few cases the bulk loads, and also the heavy loaded materials cannot be transferred by your the human efforts. Then this will be given by your the cranes, and you can see the different type of cranes is here. And the industrial trucks, you can see the industrial trucks, and basically the different industrial trucks is available. Now first you can see the left top corners is the considered the forklift trucks, and these forklift trucks you can see the two fork is available during to this lift, and you have to lift into this fork up to the upgraded, and again your fork is given to your the places, like your the your soft floor also will be used during to your the forklift trucks. The bulky type of materials is the movement to the up and down, and also vertical, and also the horizontal movements you have to consider according to your the forklift trucks. The two lifts to fork will be available. And another things you can see that like your the walk gears is given the red some here red colors, some the walk gears will be available during to your the movement of materials, like this will be the up and downwards directions will be movement of your materials. And again another things you can see that like your the industrial trucks, the right bottom corners, the on the drivers will be drive your materials that like the different cartoons will be movement by using to your the industrial trucks, that like your the movement of one place to this the another place, the very easily the these industrial trucks will be movement from your the inside of your the industry, that these tracks will be used during toward the shop floor. And each and every students we can see the different railway stations like your the Shialdah stations we can see this type of vehicles, and also the Howrah stations also will be available that this type of vehicles during to your the transfer of materials. And another scene, the airport area, airport authority we can see that this type of industrial vehicles also during to this the transfer of the materials from inside of your the airport, and during to this sub floor, that this industrial tracks will be used for your proper handling of materials. And the positioning equipment is considered the equipments used to handle materials at a single locations, that is the to feed and or manipulated materials to so that are in the correct positions for subsequent handling. The that like your the machining, transports or storage will be comes here. Unlike transport equipments, the positioning equipment is usually used for handling at a single workplace also will be considered here. The materials can also be positioned manually used no equipments. Your materials you can see here the can also be positioned manually using no equipment is considered. And another thing is here you can see that like your the different type of positioning equipment is considered. This is the different type of barrel. The barrel is uploaded by this your the people, which one will be suppose your the liquid or the fluid will be transferred through your the pipeline system, but your barrel will be required for your the suppose some few height will be required for your the vertical heights, and during to this vertical heights you have to connected a pipelines, and during to these pipelines these fluids will be or the liquid is transferred through these pipelines, and also this downward directs down the grounds people will be standings, and also this is the another containers, and this will be loading these containers. And you can see from this the left bottom left bottom corners you can the on the uploadings and the positionings equipment will be available, and this will be your materials will be standings on this these equipments, and this is the positions will be required according to the height will be required for your this movement of or transfer of materials. And another things you can see that like your the right corners right middle corners will be the red colors, a positioning systems will be there. Suppose your the different type of materials is the placed the insides of your home, and say like your the TV cabinets. TV cabinets will be coming. Consider this is the your positions of your materials. And few cases in your industry you have to place your the different type of equipments on this the positions you have to standing that like that type of the table, and also the likes of this type of structure is given, and you have to putting on your equipments on this structure. And unit loads formations equipment is here. The equipments used to restrict materials so that they maintain their integrity when handled is single loads during transports and for storage is here. If materials are self restraints, that is the is single part or interlock parts, then they can be formed into a unit loads with no equipments. In the few cases we have to see the unit loads will be considered, but there is the no equipment will be considered. Suppose you have to go to your home to your tourist places, but you can you have to take in your few materials inside of your bags, and this will be considered. There is no extra equipment will be here. Simply the bags will be considered, and all materials will be put inside of your this materials, and also this will be consideration according to your the unit loads. But there is the no extra units or the equipment is used during to this transfer of materials. You can see here this will be the different type of unit loads will be considered, like your the dig boards. The stranger is here, that like your the these boards you have to place your different unit loads type of materials, that like the different bucket. The buckets will be standing is here, and also your bucket is movement in the proper way. The different railway station we can see that like your our different hawker will be transfer materials through this type of dig buckets, dig boards. The stringers is considered. You can see the right corners. You can see this baskets and the different type of ICNGs and the different type of ICNGs fruits will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place. That like your the this type of packaging will be considered, and this packaging is used for transfer of your materials the proper way. There is the no damage will be come during to your the transfer of materials. That like your the different fruits will be transferred now from your the suppose the apple is comes from the Kashmir to Kolkata, then the this type of structure will be required, and also that this is the considered as a unit loads. The one packet of apple is considered according to this unit loads, but you have to transfer your apple proper way. There is the no hazardous and also there is the no damage will be comes on this the suppose if people will be sitting on this bucket, but there is the no apple will be damaged inside of this buckets, but this will be properly transfer the Kashmir to your this Kolkata, and your the sellers and also the distributors the proper way this will be sales to this the customers. And storage equipments, the equipment used for holding or buffering materials over a period of times. You can see the this will be buffering or this holding of materials the period of times. The some storage equipments may include the transport of materials. It is the is by air R machines. The transport of materials, that is the is by R machines of an AS by RS. That is the AS by RS or storage cars uses also will be here. If materials are block stuck directly on the floor, then no storage equipment is required. That means your the materials blocks the stacked the directly on this the floor, no storage equipment is required. And you can see here this is the different type of bucket is available, and also the first this three buckets you can see the this bucket is used different shopping malls. We can consider the different shopping malls. The this type of bucket is used to transfer of materials the proper way, and also your the customers is taken for materials from the safely. And a few cases we have to seen in our the grocery shop also the this type of buckets is available, and also the or the vegetable shops you can see that this type of buckets and the potato will be transferred like this way. And another things you can see, this is the left the top corner, this is on a rack will be here, and these racks will be place this materials the stacking, and also this is the transfer proper way. And another is the middle on this here you have to see into this the different structure will be given, and also and the third one is considered according to your the different wastage materials also will be transferred through this type of bucket is used. And another things will be here the walkyard, and also the four-wheel vehicles will be considered according to the movement of materials from during to the railway stations. You can see the your materials will be placed here. And another things also will be seen, just like your the bucket systems is the available sorry not is the bucket system, this is the rack system is the available on this. And during to this racks you have to stacking this materials one by one, and suppose your the eggs will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place, this will be the rack system is available. And during to this the carts, this is the pile up the one by one, and also this is the very easily safely transport from this the one place to this the another place. And another thing is here, this is the lower left corners, this is the one stacking device is considered according to this the different warehouse. And this type of rack systems will be used for the storing, and also sometimes the your the storing of materials, and also the loading unloading condition. The this type of stacks will be concentrated according to your the warehouse. And another things you can see during to your the right corners, this is the different type of a different type of ropeway considerations will be considered according to this. The load, this is the pulley systems will be given. This is the loading and unloading of this materials here. And you can consider this will be the on is the warehouse. We can see this is the left figure is considered the different type of buckets will be stacking with the one by one. And also you have to movement of your materials the proper way. There is the no damage will be come on this systems. For you have to transfer your materials proper way, but this the always you have to consideration according to your the materials handling concept, that we have to transfer your materials escape safely. And also there is the least cost will be considered according to your the transfer of materials from this the one station to this the another stations. And another things you can see during to your the pipeline system, that like the right side figure will be seen, like your the different pipelining procedures. Your hydraulic materials will be, or the hydraulic fluid also will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place through your the pipeline system. You have to control by this the different way, and you have to transfer the through this the pipeline. And few cases the pneumatic systems also will be transferred through this the pipeline systems, and proper way this the transfer your materials. And the identification and control equipment is here. The equipment used to control, collect and the collect and communicates the informations that is used to coordinate the flow of materials within a facility and between a facility and its suppliers and customers will be considerations according this. The identifications of materials and associate control can be performed manually with no specialized equipment is considered. That like your the your coordinates, that like your the flow of materials within the facilities. And a few cases this will be required the facility seats, the suppliers and customers. And another things will be here, the associate control can be performed manually, specialized this equipment is here. You can see this is the different type of equipment is consideration according to this. The first one is the calculator, and this will be second one is considered according to the mobile phone receivers. And also your the suppose the sweeping your the money transfer from this the one account to this the another account. This is the swipe card also will be available. And according to this one, the top right corner also will be considered according to the scanning. The during to your the scanning parts, scanning type of conditions, then your the money will be transferred throughly. And another things your the proper codifications will be there, that like your the materials will be the proper code or not. This will be considered according to this type of scratch will be cards is here. And then you have to properly transfer the data from this the one place to the another place. That this like of data will be transfer will be required for your the transfer of materials proper way. You can see here the three groups of materials handling equipments classified by their design features. And the one is hoisting equipment is considered a group of machines with lifting gears intended for moving loads mainly in batches is here. This type of equipment is intended mainly for unit loads. The like is intended for this the unit loads. The hoisting machinery, the cranes and elevators belongs to these groups. And another thing is the conveying the equipment, a group of machines which may have no lifting gear and which move the load in a continuous flow will be considered. They are intended for bulk and unit loads one at a time. Basically the conveying of equipments, that like your the group machines, which is the lifting gear and moved loads, and this is the continuous flow. And just like your the bulk and the unit loads at the time. And the surface and overhead equipment is there, a group of machines which may not be provided with the lifting gear and which usually handles loads in batches. The trackless trucks, the narrow gauge cars belongs to these groups. The unit loads are formed solid of various size, shape and weights also will be considered. The bulk materials are those which are powdery, granulars or lumpy in materials and are storage in heaps. The example of bulk materials are minerals, ores, coals, etc. Earthly materials, the gravel, sand, clay, etc., processed materials, cements, salts, chemicals, etc., agricultural products, the grains, sugars, flour, etc. is here, flour, and the similar other materials is considered. The you have to this equipment will be considered here, that like the hooks, and also the different type of grapes will be considered is that. And this grapes of equipment is used, that like the wire hood, and also there is the no lower parts will be mounted or the occupied on this type of equipment, and also this will be used for this transfer of materials is the proper way. And also this will be comes in the different belt conveyors is also considered according to your the movement of materials. And this is the lower bottom left figures, you can see that like the different trolley systems is used. And also the this is the this top corners you have to consider the different type of structure movement, that like the grapes will be considered. And the some applications are materials handling equipments are, the applications of materials handling is very wide. It is worthwhile to list a few of them. The manufacturing industry, building construction industry, heavy construction industry, mining industry, food industry, and automotive and transportation industry is used. You can see this is our this the different grocery or the fruit shop is here, and the different type of equipment is used during to all these fruit shops. And this one will be considered according to your the crane is transport by the different log. And this will be the bottle water bottle will be filling stations will be here. And also this is the different movement is found, and also this packaging will be done proper way. And also this is the transfer the different type of baskets are will be from one station to this the another station, just like the different rollers will be movements. And also and this is the food processing industries also will be used during to or the that like the materials handling equipments. Okay, thank you students. Next class we discuss to this the materials handling principle.